Did you know that 50% of all marriages will end in divorce or separation during the course of their marriage? Did you also know that majority of the time the spouse is entitled to half? If you'd like to learn more, Christian does an awesome job at describing what document is needed in the case of rolling your retirement, because it is 50% of your retirement now, into your own IRA. Enjoy the video and the content.
If you're in a divorce, you can roll over your 401k without any penalties. You're also entitled to a portion of your spouse's 401k, and they are entitled to a portion of yours as well. A judge would need to sign off on a qualified domestic relations order, also known as a quidro, which confirms each spouse's right to a portion of the money. This allows both spouses to move their portion out of their 401ks into a new investment that has better benefits without being penalized. Now, here are 5 reasons why rolling your money over to an index annuity might be a great idea. Reason number 1, your principal is guaranteed. So if you roll over $250,000 into an index annuity, your money is guaranteed to never drop below that amount unless you withdraw from it. Reason number 2, it's index. So if the market goes up, so does your money. And if the market goes down, then your money and any gains from prior years get locked in. Reason number 3, your gains grow tax deferred. Reason number 4, you have the option to receive lifetime income even if your balance drops to 0 at retirement. Reason number 5, you can withdraw up to 10% each year with no penalty to cover the cost of things that might pop up. Then after your surrender period, whether you chose 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, you can withdraw as much as you want without any penalties. So if you want your money in your own investment account with better benefits like an index annuity, also known as your personal pension, then contact our home office at 888-350-5396 or reach us at our website at tfawealthplanning.com. A good opportunity only becomes great when you act on it. So get with the person that sent you this video. Have a great day.
I know, heartbreaking statistics, right? If you'd like to learn more about a juvenile indexed universal life insurance policy, go ahead and click the link to my left. Or if you'd like to learn more about tax-free retirement planning, go ahead and click the box that I just pointed to.